Beach day.
Beach day.
Beach day.
Beach day.
Yeah.
Beach day.
Beach day.
We're at Ariana's apartment. It's awesome, but even more awesome is this outside. My Little Pony sticker, it is on the ground. We don't know who put it there, but it's the best. It was a sign that you needed to live here.
Seriously, it's been here like the whole time I've lived here. I guess because, you know, it's not wet in the hallway, so it just stays there and it's awesome.
Do this! Yeah!
What? Just hanging with Mr. Turtle here.
Yep.
You know, me and Turtle.
Rosie.
Zoom in.
Just don't know what else to go. Just don't know what else to do. There's no escaping, trapped with no way out. With no way out. Peace everywhere I go. Down every back I turn. Chance. You guys ready for this? Like a photo.
Just hanging out here in the Olympic Ballroom. We're about to have a meetup, and it's pretty cool. Check out this sweet room, and we got some chair stuff going on.
Whoa.
You're so happy.
Just fetch.
I got it.
Fetch. What?
Nice. This feels very nice. It's nice.
You guys are just like too nice. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, I'll start reading it.
High five.
Hell yeah.
Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. Oh, you lost it forever.
There's like 5,000 people out here.
There's like
waiting
50,000 people.
50,000 people.
50,000.
waiting to meet us.
You guys are like,
Yes. That
if
is
you're like this passionate about it that you have to like give me the book, then like, oh my god.
Do you want to explain what that is?
It's Murloc,
Yeah?
and his name is
Gurky, I think?
Gurky.
Gurky.
Yep. He's probably elite. Probably dropped
Probably
some
elite,
epic
yeah.
gear.
Yeah.
You kill him.
Probably like 2 gold at least.
Streets are soaked from the rain. Swept through this town last night. And she is searching her reflection for lunar circles under her eyes. And now the cobblestones of gramophone and she steps on all that Suzanne affords. Oh, it's a rapier with soliloquy in this heel and toe report. It's another beautiful day in Hogsmeade. Just another beautiful day in Hogsmeade. And I am jumping in every single solitary puddle that I see. Oh, I am soaking in the sunshine, thinking how beautiful it is just to breathe. When I see her scintillating silhouette like a still from a 1940s film. Oh, the soundtrack swells with cellos. I cannot wait until, but I will. It's another beautiful day in Hogsmeade. Just another beautiful day in Hogsmeade. And I say, hey, hey green eyes, you wanna go lose some time with me? Oh my, I gotta know what is this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling.
You ready?
I don't know, I hope
You
so.
nervous? I don't know if you're supposed to go out yet, Christina.
Yeah, you don't
Wait,
go out.
don't go out yet. Go back in. They can see you. Yeah, we'll do it.